Assalamu alaikum. Greeting all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to cancel friend request. Suppose you gave a friend request to a person but he or she doesn't allow your friend request. Now you want to cancel the request. First of all, you want to go Facebook. At the right top corner there is three lines. We click it. And now we'll go to friends and we, we go to request. Here is three dot. We click it. View send request. We click it. I send friend request 1 day, 2 day, 2 day ago. Now I cancel it. That's all my friends. Thank you.